I chose STEM school because I have strong interest in science, technology, or mathematics, or engineering. In the future, I would like to become an engineer in aviation. That's why I came here to discover some new things, and I enjoy learning how things work and learn new things.
So the reason why I joined the school is because I found it as a really great opportunities for what I want to do later, as well as it's related to engineering, and I want to be an AI engineer. So I find it really interesting in a young STEM to do this.
I have learned Thinkable. It's an app for programming some new things and developing applications and new things.
Je crois que profondément l'aviation est le vecteur essentiel du développement et de l'intégration de l'Afrique. Donc je dis à ces jeunes qui s'orientent vers l'ingénierie, qui s'orientent vers d'autres secteurs, leur contribution au développement de l'aérien contribuera grandement au développement et à l'intégration de l'Afrique.